Our topic for the day is Cost Accounting Standard. We'll take a deeper understanding on the concept of Cost Accounting Standard. What is the purpose of Cost Accounting Standard? What are its bases? And how many Cost Accounting Standards do we currently have? So keep watching. Cost accounting standards are the set of standards designed to achieve uniformity and consistency in cost accounting practice. The Institute of Cost Accountants of India recognizes the need for a structured approach for the measurement of cost in manufacturing and service sector to achieve uniformity and consistency in classification, measurement, and assignment of cost to the products and services, and also to ensure guidance to the user organization, government bodies, regulators, research agencies, and also for academic institutions. These accounting standards are designed by Cost Accounting Standard Boards. The main objective of Cost Accounting Standard is to ensure uniformity and consistency in the measurement and assignment of cost. That is, to ensure that the classification of the cost and its measurement and the assigning and allocation of the cost is in more or less the same manner or in the same way. Next, we have the structure of Cost Accounting Standard. How the Cost Accounting Standard is framed. The first and foremost is the introduction part. It brings a brief details about the topic and its role in the cost statement. Then the most significant one, objectives, the basis of the standard, why the Cost Accounting Standard is necessary. Then the scope that provides the applicability of the standard. The definition, terminologies used in the standard are explained here. And the principles of the measurement, principles behind the ascertainment, measurement, determination, and a categorization of elements of cost are also well set here. Assignment of the cost, the basis of assignment of the cost to the product or service is generally accepted accounting principles, cost accounting principles. And next is the presentation, which is the essence of the standard and the prescriptive nature to be followed for any certification requirements. And final one is the disclosure. It brings specific disclosures are required in the presentation to provide clarifications. Now we'll see what are the cost accounting standards. There are 24 cost accounting standards till date. Cost accounting standard 1 is the classification of cost. Cost accounting standard 2 is the capacity determination. Cost accounting standard 3 is production and operations overhead. Cost accounting standard 4 is the cost of production for captive consumption. Cost accounting standard 5 is average cost of transportation. Cost accounting standard 6 is material cost. Cost accounting standard 7 is employee cost. Cost accounting standard 8 is cost of utilities. Cost accounting standard 9 is packing material cost. Cost accounting standard 10 is direct expense. Cost accounting standard 11 is administrative overheads. Cost accounting standard 12 is repairs and maintenance cost. Cost accounting standard 13 is cost of service cost center. Cost accounting standard 14 is pollution control cost. Cost accounting standard 15 is selling and distribution overheads. Cost accounting standard 16 is depreciation and amortization. Cost accounting standard 17 is interest and financing charges. Cost accounting standard 18 is research and development cost. Cost accounting standard 19 is joint cost. Cost accounting standard 20, royalty and technical know-how fee. Cost accounting standard 21, quality control. Cost accounting standard 22, manufacturing cost. Cost accounting standard 23, overburden removal cost. And Cost accounting standard 24, treatment of revenue in cost statements. We will be taking a deeper look into these costing standards in our upcoming video. Cost accounting standard deals with how the cost is allocated. To explain the requirement of standards and to provide the guidance with examples and illustrations on technical issues relating to Cost Accounting Standard Board also issues guidance notes. In our upcoming videos, we'll take a deeper look into the different cost accounting standards. So friends, let's wind up for the day. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.